In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the process of buying travel insurance online using TripAssure, a website designed for easy navigation and flexible coverage options. Whether you're planning an international vacation or a short domestic trip, having travel insurance ensures peace of mind. First, we will visit the homepage of the TripAssure website, where we can quickly see the main types of travel insurance plans offered: basic, deluxe, and premium. The site is simple to navigate, allowing you to filter based on your travel dates, destination, and coverage needs. It also offers easy-to-understand comparisons of different plans, so you can make the best decision for your trip. A key feature is that TripAssure provides clear explanations of what each policy covers, such as trip cancellations, medical emergencies, lost baggage, and even travel delays. In the next section of the site, we'll go through the process of selecting a plan. It's as easy as inputting your trip details, like destination and duration, and the site automatically shows the most suitable options for your needs. After selecting a plan, you will see a breakdown of coverage and costs, helping you budget for any potential surprises. Now, let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of using TripAssure. On the plus side, the site is very user-friendly, with clear information and easy access to customer support. Plans are customizable, and you can add extra coverage for specific activities like adventure sports or cruises. However, one potential downside is that the number of plan options may be overwhelming for users who aren't familiar with travel insurance. But don't worry, TripAssure offers helpful guides to explain what each option means. As we move through the site, you'll notice how quickly you can get a quote. After filling out basic trip information, you'll be provided with an instant price estimate. The ability to adjust your options and see how that impacts the price is one of the most helpful features of TripAssure. While TripAssure is a solid option, it's worth mentioning a trusted alternative. Ekta Traveling is another service that offers reliable and affordable travel insurance plans. With straightforward options and excellent customer service, Ekta Traveling provides an equally comprehensive and dependable option for travel protection. You can check it out by following the link in the description to explore more details and get a quote today. Once you've selected your preferred plan on TripAssure, purchasing it is easy. You can complete the transaction online, and your coverage will be confirmed immediately via email. Remember to always double-check your policy details and make sure it covers all aspects of your trip that are important to you. I hope this guide has helped you understand how to secure travel insurance online. Be sure to follow the link in the description for more details on insurance options available through Ekta Traveling. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more travel tips.